In a world where shared joy and togetherness are celebrated, the spirit of joy emerged as a testament to the power of unity and happiness, inspired by the Chinese saying "Tónglè," which translates to sharing happiness together. The bamboo swing is introduced to create memorable moments of shared delights through the experiences in Nansha Bird Park. The journey begins with an exploration of the essence of Tónglè. A swing by its origin is a solitary recreation, designed for individual pleasure, where one pushes and the other feels the enjoyment of swaying against the wind or doing the pushing themselves. But what if we go against the ordinary swing type and find a way for everyone to feel the same sense of enjoyment? The core essence of the spirit of joy begins with a spherical bamboo swing that resonates the spirit of togetherness by encouraging children not to play alone but together. With this design, the children are not playing for their own enjoyment, but the power of togetherness is what drives the swing to move and bring the children in the Nansha Bird Park closer together. The swing is imagined through the eye of a child, with curiosity being a big interest in the mind. The swing explores multi-sensorial elements that allow children to engage with their surroundings in more exciting ways. This includes elements of visual, sound, and touch. The construction of the swing is done through a sequence of stages that begins with the main cross-circular structures, traverse platforms extending from the land to the river, followed by the experimental bamboo features to enhance the safety and enjoyment, and lastly, the core bamboo swing that unites all the elements together in harmony. Together, these elements form a swing that serve as a platform for children to interact not only with one another but with the environment together. With every gentle sway and shared smile, the spirit of joy extends an open invitation to embrace the Tónglè spirit. It is a place where strangers become friends, family bond, and children come together, one swing at a time in Nansha Bird Park.